Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is JSGuleriea and I'm back with another video for you guys. Guys, today I'm in Grand Views, one of the best communities in terms of townhouses and villas in Meydan. Before we proceed further, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share my videos, and do not forget to hit the bell icon. Now let's start the tour. These are G+1 4-bedroom townhouses where the size starts from 3,100 and goes up to 3,350 square feet built-up area, a massive built-up. Coming on to the best part, you get 4-bedroom and all bedrooms you get attached washroom and 1 bedroom downstairs. Now let me take you inside a 4-bedroom townhouse. Come on in. Guys, Meydan is one of the best locations to buy a property in Dubai. The location is very prime and you are just 10 to 12 minutes away from Burj Khalifa Dubai Mall. If I talk about the existing airport, you are around 20-22 minutes away. And when it comes to Jumeirah Beach and Burj Al Arab, it's just 18 to 20 minutes drive. The price of a 4-bedroom townhouse starts from 4 million and goes up to 4.8 million depending on the location of the villa. Now this was all from my side. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and be safe.